What are 3 things to avoid in your portfolio? Number 1 is don't show old work. I remember when I used to show some old work from like college and high school, but it wasn't that good. It was like some stuff that was so old and it wasn't even showing my best, skill set. So you don't want to show old work. Like I'd say maybe like 3 years, 4 years at best. Obviously, if you've been in the industry for like 20 years and you've worked with like big clients, big brands like Nike or Google or whatever, then okay, you can probably keep that in your portfolio, which is all right. But you want to show your most recent work. You don't want to show old work, because if you show old work, it shows, okay, is this guy actually still designing? Is he actually in the industry at the moment? Is he actually working with clients? So people start asking those questions themselves. So you want to look professional. You want to look like that you're actually doing recent work. And if you haven't been getting client work, that's okay. You can do some fake projects, which is all right. Do some really good case studies and make up the project and do it really well. Have nice mock-ups, have a nice design and a concept, and that's going to really boost your portfolio. So try and avoid showing things from college. Unless you're just starting out, then that's okay. You're only going to have those projects. But as you further along and continue down your career, you're going to start to curate and start to cut out those old work, because I don't want to be showing old work from like 4 or 5 years ago. Trying to keep it within maybe 3-4 years at max. That's just, it's subjective, but that's just my opinion, and it'll really help you out. Number 2 is don't show unrelevant work. So what I mean by unrelevant work is that you only want to show the work that you want to do. And not only that, if you're applying for a job, and let's say there's a branding studio and they only do branding for corporate clients, right? And if you come to them and you just show them like illustrations or poster designs, they're going to be like, oh, he doesn't really do identity design for corporates. So you got to think like, what actual work do they do? Go look at the site, do research, see their portfolio, see what type of clients they work for, see the type of work they do, and then pretty much curate your portfolio to that client. So you just want to show the identity projects for corporate, like corporate style, really, nice logos that are clean and minimal and really professional. And that will really help you get a job like that. Not only that, but for your future, the more work you show that the work you want to do, that's the work you're going to get. So if you want to be a logo designer, keep showing logos on your portfolio and have it in your feed. Even on your Instagram, make sure your grid and your feed has all logos on it, because you're going to get more of what you put out. So remember that. So only show the work and stay relevant, and show only the relevant work, not unrelevant stuff that's not going to be relevant to the client or to the agency that you want to apply for. And last, avoid showing subpar work. You only want to show your best work, because doing good work is what's going to get you through the door in a lot of places. And when your clients see you, they're going to judge you within the first, minute, the first 10 seconds when they see your portfolio. So you want to make sure that your portfolio is the best, that it's super good, it's the best work you've ever created. But yeah, obviously if you're just starting out, it takes some time to build the skills and build those case studies and build those projects on a website and Instagram and whatever. 100% understand that, because I had to do that too. But you want to make sure that you're showing your best work, whether it's logos or identities or branding, whatever. Make sure it's the best you can. Buy some good mock-ups, buy some fonts if you have to, whatever you need, and make it look smick, make it look just awesome, because it's going to reflect you, it's going to reflect your work, and it's going to get you more clients when you look professional and you give your best work. So when someone looks through and they see just amazing mock-ups and it looks awesome, then you're going to get more chance of them hiring you. So yeah, those are 3 things to avoid in your portfolio. Hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments below. Remember to hit like and also subscribe. And also, if you can go on my channel and click the bell button, then you'll get notifications of when I upload a new video every week.